So you're definitely you're interested in getting some sort of information for your 2015, right?
Yeah, I just came in to get a quick quote.
Okay,
So
perfect.
shopping around.
Okay, wonderful. Now, just to let you know, we work with 70 different companies. Okay.
Okay.
One of the benefits of getting information from us, that there's no commitment whatsoever. Okay, I'll give you basic information. I'll give you a few different options so you can see, you know, what type of options are available for you, and then hopefully we could help you so you can leave with insurance. Okay.
Okay.
The positive is, once again, that we work with a lot of companies. Okay. So I am going to ask you a few questions just to at least have enough information to run it through our system. Okay. Now, what's your phone number?
It's going to be area code 909-254-8466.
And how exactly did you hear about us?
Actually, I was walking by. I was going to stop by the store, and
You saw.
actually, a gentleman pulled me in.
Someone spoke to you. Okay, perfect.
Yes, sir.
So it's most likely one of our representatives. Technically, what we do is we communicate information through our marketing department. Okay, we want to make sure that our customers have at least different options. Okay, because you may have insurance, you may be paying a little bit too much. Okay, but in your case, you don't have insurance right now. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. You just purchased a vehicle?
Yeah, like a week ago.
Couple days ago. Okay. Now, by when are you interested in actually getting the insurance?
Well, as soon as possible,
As soon as
honestly.
possible. Now, let me ask you a quick question. So they didn't ask you for insurance when you bought the vehicle?
I mean, I just got what the company gave me, the
dealership?
dealership. Yeah.
So
they
what,
gave
for
me-
like 7 days?
Yeah, 7 days.
Okay. So, but as of today, you don't have insurance, correct?
No.
Okay. So, has the finance company given you a notification? Have they called you, letting
No,
you know
not
that you need to get insurance?
No, not yet.
So you just want to do it before they call you?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I want to hop ahead. I know I need to get it. So.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so that's the smartest thing you can do. So this is a 2015 Nissan, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're definitely gonna need at least a basic full coverage policy, correct?
Definitely. I'm still financing the car.
Okay. Now let me ask you a quick question. Now, if the price is right, would you be interested in making a decision today? And the reason why I'm asking, because once again, I'll run the information. There's no commitment whatsoever, okay? But you're driving without insurance, so I'm pretty sure you know the risk. And just so you can know, a ticket is going to cost you what, $700? Also, just imagine, and I don't mean to be negative, you barely purchased a vehicle, maybe within the last 30 days. Okay, just imagine being involved in an accident. Okay, paying for a car that's worth at least $25,000. For you to be involved in a car accident without insurance, you're still going to owe the vehicle, and you got to fix it with your money. So it would be a very disappointing situation to encounter. Okay, so once again, if the price is right, would you be interested in making a decision today?
I mean, there's a office down this, around the block from my house, so I think I have to quote around first.
Okay. Now let me ask you a quick question. Have you gotten any quotes in the past?
Yeah, I actually gave a company a call. They were telling me somewhere along like $120 a month.
$120 a month. Okay. Was this? And you said you got a quote over the phone?
Yeah, over the phone.
Okay. Perfect. So let's say, for example, just and that's fine. We'll compare all the options that you have. But if the price is reasonable, if it's something that you feel that it's adequate for you, would you be interested in making a decision today?
We'll see.
Okay. So either way, I'll run the information right now. I'll give you a what's it called, a couple of options, and then we'll take it from there. Okay. So let me check the system real fast. Have you had any tickets in the past?
No, never.
No tickets. Okay. All right, perfect. Now, let me explain something to you real fast. Okay? And this is just so you can have an idea of the options that you have. Now, you did mention to me that you're shopping around, correct?
Correct.
Now, let me explain something real fast. Let's say, for instance, when you're shopping around, technically no one's going to give you anything accurate, okay? I'll give you something that's roughly 80 to 90% accurate, okay? And then we'll take it from there.
What do you mean 80 to 90% accurate?
All right, there's two different systems, and that's exactly what I'll be reviewing with you. There's something called quoting system, which is technically what everyone uses. It's just a quoting system. We put your basic information, and then the companies will generate, some sort of information, and that's the information that we provide to the client. Now, the second process is for us to actually run it through the website, which the website, the insurance company's website, is going to generate the exact monthly payment. Our system is only going to give you something basic. Now, the majority of the companies, they're not going to give you this information because you're not ready. See, as soon as you tell me that you're not ready, that you're going to continue shopping around, my goal is to give you more information so I can help you make a decision today. Okay? Versus the rest of the agencies, what they're going to do, they're just going to give you something basic. Technically, they're just going to give you a number, something that sounds good. For instance, let's say, for example, you told me someone gave you 120. I could just easily give you 70 to 75. Just because it sounds better. Does that make sense? But then at the end of the day, you may not be able to qualify for that. So my job is to give you the lowest option based on 70 different companies. Now, one of the factors, okay, that I want you to consider is the fact that we work with so many companies. So just imagine you shop around, correct?
Correct.
You go to 3 different agencies. For example, you go to Freeway, you go to Adriana's, and let's say it costs you less, for example, or Fairway. Let's say you go to 3 different offices, okay? Each office, each agency is going to offer you something roughly anywhere from 5 to 10 companies, if not a couple more. So when we do the math, we're looking at what, 15 to 40? So you're going to be shopping around. You're going to go from one office to another, okay? And at the end of the day, they're only giving you 5 to 10 different companies or 5 to 10 different options versus 70 different companies. We work with the most competitive companies in the state of California. So if you're looking to actually get a policy today, tomorrow, the best thing would be to make a decision today. Now, my job is to save you time and also save you a lot of stress, okay? And most importantly, to give you something that's accurate. There's a lot of agencies out there, they may be able to find you something lower. They're gonna manipulate the system, they're gonna modify your information and give you something that at the end of the day is not gonna benefit you at all. So right now, based on 70 different companies, okay, I should be able to find a monthly payment that's very affordable for you. Now, if the monthly payment is reasonable, would you be interested in making a decision today?
Yeah.
Once again, you need insurance, correct?
Yeah.
You need to leave with insurance. They gave you, 7 days, and those 7 days are over. Now, what if you get pulled over? The ticket is going to cost you, okay? The ticket is going to cost you $700 minimum, okay? If you're involved in an accident, let's don't even open up that type of conversation because you're going to be in trouble. So once again, I'll run the information. The good thing about us is that there's no commitment whatsoever. Okay, so you don't have to feel pressured or obligated to make a decision. My job is to give you as much information as possible so you could so number one, so you could be comfortable. Number two, so you could have a lot of information to make an educated decision. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
So once again, if the price is right, are you able to make a payment today? And we'll talk about the options in a couple minutes.
Yeah, well, we'll see what you got first.
Okay, but definitely you said if the price is right, that's something that you could consider today, correct?
Definitely.
Okay, because once again, you don't have insurance. Okay, perfect.